Setting up or deciding which lot size to use is something traders, and specifically beginner traders, get oftentimes wrong. Deciding which lot size to use for a trade could be just as important as your stop loss, take profit, and even your entry. As you may know, forex exchanges are usually expressed in tiny movements known as pip. So what is a lot size in forex trading anyways? So a lot size in forex refers to the number or amount of currency you buy or sell. It represents a standardized quantity of a currency or simply the transaction amount. So when you take a trade, orders are executed in these transaction sizes referred to as lots. So pretty much lot size are like this thing right here. So as you can see, increase a lot size, margin goes up, percentage goes up. Increase it, it goes up even more. It went to $30 in margin and 12%. Increase it by, that would be considered a dollar lot size, but we're gonna go further into that. But as you can see, margin is 100 and it's 0.4%. According to investing.com, setting a lot size is part of effective risk management and forex. The bigger the lot size, the higher risk per trade, just as the example that I just showed before. For example, you bear a greater exposure trading a standard lot size than a mini lot size, and so on, which is what I showed before when you saw a 30% margin, 0.4%, and so on. So this is just some things to remember when setting a lot size. First thing is to ensure that the lot size aligns with your account size. So a more considerable capital means that you could trade higher currency volumes. You can manage whatever you're trading by varying the lot size based on the volatility of what you're trading and the confidence that you have on the strategies. So pretty much what that means is you can pretty much determine how much like risk to reward you want to put in a certain trade depending on what lot size you put and how confident you are in that specific entry. So setting a lot size, a common rule is to risk between 1 to 2% of your account size, and you should never bet any amount that you're not prepared to lose. So it's the reason why a lot of people usually lean towards risking 1 to 2%, because let's say you have like $1,000 for a live account and you risk 1% of that, that's pretty much you risking $10, as opposed to you risking 10%, which is you risking $100. So let's say you risk the 10%, you only have 10 trades, and if 10 of those trades go wrong back to back to back, which is likely in the forex market, then you pretty much lost the account. As opposed to if you risk 1%, but then you have a lot of losing trades, let's say you have 10 losing trades in a row, you still have 90% of the account left. And if you end up losing the whole account with 1%, then that either means one, your psychology is not there yet, or two, you don't have a strategy that is profitable or that aligns with how the market moves. So make sure to not use the same lot size in every pair you're trading. Obviously some pairs are more volatile than the others, so the range that certain pairs move is a lot more than others, so just be careful of the lot size. So what does 0.01 lot size mean? So if you go right here, you can see 0.01 lot size right here means 10%. It's usually considered a micro lot and represents 1,000 units of a base currency in forex. They're always usually called just a 10-cent lot. And then we go up to 0.10 lot size, that's usually considered a dollar lot size. So let's say we put this in and a trade ends up going like 50 pips or something like that, that means you've made $50. So $1 a pip, pretty much how it works. And then if you go one up more to 1.01 lot size, then that's $100 a pip. Let's say you're in USD cash trade just like this, your stop loss is around 52 pips. That means you would be risking about $5,000 for that 50 pip. So again, the lot size you put on whichever account should vary depending on what your account size is. So just be careful with the lot size and good luck trading. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you're new here, leave a comment down below Leave a like if you like what you see here. Share it to friends if I need it. Leave any comments down below, any thoughts, questions, concern, input. And I'll see you guys next time.